There's a group of islands where houses sit on cliff edges and waterfalls fall straight into the ocean below. These islands are steep, green, and shaped by wind and waves. Tall cliffs rise straight from the sea, with narrow roads and small villages clinging to the edges. In many places there are no beaches, just rock dropping directly into deep water. Waterfalls are everywhere here. Some flow through valleys, others spill off cliffs and disappear into the ocean below. The weather changes fast, with mist rolling in and out, making the landscape feel constantly in motion. Everything feels raw and exposed, like the islands are standing alone against the sea. This place is called the Faroe Islands, and there's a waterfall in Iceland that drops in one massive curtain, and you can walk right up to the base as it thunders down. This waterfall falls straight down from a flat cliff, with water stretching across the entire edge from side to side. There's no bend or narrow channel, just a solid wall of water hitting the ground at full force. A path leads directly to the base, where thick mist fills the air and the sound becomes almost overwhelming. On sunny days, the spray often creates full rainbows that hang in front of the falls. It feels raw and intense, yet incredibly accessible, with no long hike or viewpoint needed. This place is called Skogafoss,